My name's Catherine Cruz. I'm a retired veterinarian and previous owner of Pet Street Station Animal Hospital. And I've been on the Greenway Board of Directors since 2006. When a solar farm initiative came through, they just out of the blue contacted us and offered us a sum of money to sell that 50, almost 55 acres that's floodplain. That was really in the backs of our minds that we would make this like a bird sanctuary, a wildlife kind of sanctuary where the population could come and sit on an observation platform and watch. And at that point, I talked about giving that in perpetuity to some organization that would maintain it. So it's really worked out well for us. It was a pleasure working with Soil and Water. They pretty much took the ball and ran with it because they agreed that what not only would they reinforce the riverbank, make it so that floodwaters could go over without washing the bank away. They also agreed to do tree plantings. Sounds like a win-win.